Right here. No, stay down. No, right here.
No, there's Logan. Can't see touchdown though. Sad. Goodbye, Blaine. So windy, but it's not cold because I don't know why, but it's not cold. I'm wearing short sleeve right now. Tiny, it's a baby, it's a baby. Oh, I thought it would go around honestly, based on how close it was to JetBlue. Dang, it's so small. I never realized how small this Cessna 402 is. Goodbye. OMG! Then take off. Not towards my direction though. If it was towards my direction, it would be like right here over my head. So first we have a Spirit in a default banana livery landing. And then it's going to be a rare Spirit livery taking off soon after. Should come up over there. Yep, there it is. is gonna leave though. Come on, leave for a second. Actually, oh, there it goes. It's a lot like a legend, to be honest. Plain land. Oh, there goes it. Alright, bye-bye. We got the bird. Bird, interesting.
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to be happy. I'm saying it's a beautiful day to be happy. You should be happy. I know.
Oh, 757. I love 757. I absolutely love this plane. I just feel like Boeing stopped producing them. Wonderful aircraft, probably from Los Angeles. I don't know. I'm not going to do any research about this. It takes up too much time and it ruins my schedule, so I'm going to just put the video, no text. There goes the jet. Reaction. I have bad vision. I couldn't see that small plane. Really, my camera came on, but there it goes. It's landing.
I want whatever they're having. I want what they're
Delta Human 75, maybe. I don't know. I'm not good at identifying Embraers. What's that sound? What's going on down there? Gosh, so much commotion.
don't die.
He's giving them out for free. Come on down.
Oh, it's away. I'll see a Southwest taxi today. Oh, there's a JetBlue that's waiting to take off. Oh my gosh. When will helicopters stop invading me? Like, from Planespot, hello? Some little kids discovering the beauty of creation. While I'm over here, I was knowing the beauty of creation, and I'm spotting here. And right now, I think there's a Delta F-51 landing, and there's a heavy coming soon, after the next. What is going on down there? Like, Heavy incoming. Heavy incoming. Ooh, my favorite, 767. I didn't even click on the plane on radar yet. I just saw it. Oh, I guess it's an A330. But no, it's a 767. I love the 757. It's my favorite aircraft. Looks like a 767-300. Which is my favorite variant. I feel like 767-400 is like too long. I sure would love to make your Gosh, my hands are so cold right now. I should probably like take a break until the friends comes because I sure do love having this. There's an A380 coming in an hour and a half. I don't think I can spot for that long. But I do want to do A380. So I can try stay here for as long as I can until the A380 comes. It's the British Airways one. They actually started recently bringing the Airbus A380 to Boston because that's when you see them. Usually they have A350s, 777s, and 787s come to Boston. But seasonally, so like spring and summer, they have A380s. And I'm actually planning on going to London with British Airways today. So that'll be interesting. I really don't know why, but I just kept Planespotting because why not? I just see them and wherever they are, and I get ready for them if they're on final approach. Fun fact, sometimes you see me playing spot and players are like really far away, like further away than this, and that's actually the other side of Logan, so like all the way over this. And you see that's all the way over there. That's where I used to play spot. That's a bad spot. I don't really like that spot. It's also kind of dangerous. They think they have coyotes there. Oh, well, I guess I'm just tripping because I thought that American was moving. Never mind, American is actually moving. Like, no. What is that? Is that Walmart? I can't even see that with the camera. Can anybody like tell me what plane that is? The one that's taxiing? It's pretty lost. Gosh, American, just rotate at this point. It's gonna get covered up by the buildings and you're not gonna be able to be recorded by me. Oh. Okay, we got the Islanders airline, which is Aer Lingus, not Ryanair, though I have seen Ryanair before at Lisbon and Madrid. I love Madrid, honestly. It's so fun. I get to see more European airlines in person, like EasyJet or Europa. And I get tackled to go here a lot, but over there in Lisbon, I get the whole fleet. We're gonna go on radar. Okay, so I just found out that was a Republic Airways, whatever. Republic Airways painted, so it's operated by American Airlines, and it has a Republic Airways livery, which I love. It's one of my favorite liveries. It's so cool. I don't care if people say it's boring and plain, but I like it. We're just waiting for NetJets now. Gosh, where's NetJets? Once again, I've been blind. So hard to breathe in such a crosswind. Alright, my hands are cold. I'll just I think next one's our hands, maybe. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Oh, that's a beautiful A350 right there. Oh, the wind actually stopped. Oh, no, here it returned. Oh, bye, friends. I'm gonna miss you. I saw a plane recently. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, right there. What's that? Oh, Qatar! Dang! My favorite plane again, the Delta. I don't know where it came from. Maybe Lisbon? I went to Lisbon one time. Trip report to Lisbon and Madrid will be out soon. Also, question guys, should I put the Boston to Lisbon and Lisbon to Madrid in separate videos, or should I just put them in the same trip report and say a transit in Lisbon? Because I didn't really go anywhere in Lisbon, I just stayed in the airport, took pictures of the planes, you know? Next is Qatar Airways. I love Qatar. Bro, my radar glitched out so bad, and it said Qatar is doing a go-around, but I know for a fact that it's not, so here we are on final approach with Qatar Airways from Doha. Like, radar glitches out so much, like, I don't know why.